3 women have been arrested under the Terrorism Act after driving a van adorned with the Palestinian flag into a Scottish defence factory. The incident occurred earlier tonight at the Leonardo factory, located in the Crewe Road North area of Edinburgh, where laser guidance systems for fighter jets are manufactured. According to Police Scotland, the women, aged 31, 34 and 42, were taken into custody after the van rammed into the fence surrounding the factory. The women were photographed smiling at onlookers as they were handcuffed, with one of them even showing off her handcuffs. Photos shared by the activist group Shut Down Leonardo displayed the van protruding partly from the fence. This group claims that the Leonardo factory is involved in producing components for Israel's F-35 fighter jets. In early June, the factory was listed as part of an economy of genocide by Francesca Albanese, the United Nations Special Rapporteur on occupied Palestinian territory. Leonardo has been targeted by aggressive protests in the past. In October, the company installed barbed wire on top of its fences after projectiles were thrown at the building's windows. The counter-terrorism unit is leading the investigation, and inquiries are ongoing. A spokesperson for Leonardo stated, "Leonardo UK is subject to UK government export controls and does not supply equipment directly to Israel. The right to peaceful protest is an important principle in our society. However, aggressive and violent activity should have no place in protest. The intimidation of our employees, who work hard to support the security and defence of the UK, is not acceptable. Our main customer is the UK Armed Forces. We take pride in manufacturing technology that supports our service personnel and helps keep them safe, as their dedication underpins the freedom on which our society is based." Shut Down Leonardo has been contacted for comment. In March of this year, the group disrupted electricity to the factory in Edinburgh, and in December, around 100 activists blocked the entrance to the facility.